We looking real pregnant, and that's not acceptable. It is Tuesday, July 25th, 2023, and it's the first day of my fitness challenge. I'm committing myself to the gym for 3 days a week for the next month. I'll be recording my workouts and everything I eat, my breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, everything. My goal is to just tone up and get rid of some of my midsection. Now, I'm not in the worst shape, but I have gained a couple of pounds and I'm not happy with that. I'm doing this for myself. I've already been in the gym consistently for 2 weeks now, for 3 days a week. But I've decided that I really want to track my progress. And what better way to do that than to record a vlog? So I'm going to measure my waist. We're just going to say the challenge started today and not 2 weeks ago. Right now, okay. This is my stomach when I wake up in the morning. No eating. No sucking in, just waking up first thing in the morning. Now I could play it off and like kind of suck it in and you see it's a little flat, but when I start eating throughout the day, my stomach it gets bigger and it's not comfortable just sucking it in. I know it could be better. That's why I'm challenging myself. I'm holding myself accountable for the next month. And we're going to get this down. Now, I do suffer from bloating, like just period. I bloat a lot. And I think I have a lot of PMS bloating, which means I bloat right before my period starts, like a week or two before my period starts. I have a lot of bloating and a lot of gas. So I believe this is really how I look right now. And this is about to change. Let's measure the tummy. I hope I'm measuring it in the right spot. Okay, no sucking in, nothing. If this is correct, I'm at 34 inches today, July 25th. 2023. I was very vulnerable just now, showing y'all my belly. But that's okay, I'm about to get this down. So next, I'm gonna show you guys my first meal, which is a snack before the gym, just something really, really light. I'm probably gonna eat a banana and then we'll head to the gym. So this will be the routine every day. I'm gonna wake up. I will probably only measure my waist once a week. So today's Tuesday. I work out Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So let's get started. Banana for the pre-workout meal. And I also take some of these capsules twice a day, once in the morning, once at night. These really help regulate my guts. I get constipated too, like when I'm on my period. And just outside of that, I've realized my system wasn't regulated. I've been taking these twice a day and they've been helping a ton, on top of drinking a lot of water and just eating right. Now, I just feel like if I was in a more private gym, then I would my tripod out and record, but I'm not. I'm at Planet Fitness, so I'm not gonna do all that. So I'm making my movements slow and controlled. You're probably not seeing results in your workouts because you're moving too fast. You're not working the right muscles, you're moving too fast. I was in there for a good hour today. Got some cardio in, worked my abs. Now I'm about to shower and we're gonna cook the first meal of the day, which is breakfast. And please, my hair is atrocious. But we taking our trip up to Chicago on Tuesday to get this hair done. If y'all see my TikToks and some of my previous vlogs, then y'all know my struggle of getting my hair done out here in this town. It's impossible. You're not getting your hair done. This is from when I was back home in Detroit last month. I got a quick weave and I washed it once already, and it's just, it's time for this to come out. Remind me to never leave out all around the perimeter ever again. Only at the top. In the back? No, never in the back. Biggest mistake of my life. I wanted the versatility. I wanted to try the versatility, throw it up in a ponytail. Yeah, that's all cool and everything, but me, I don't really like the maintenance part. I just don't like doing my own hair like that. So it took a lot to wash the back like this. All of this is out back here. For all you girlies getting these sew-ins with half of y'all hair left out, God bless you. I don't know how you do it. It's just not for me. I'm not about to do it no more. Just leave out me right here, please. That's it. I like this brand of pancakes. I usually get the mix with the chocolate chips and it is so good. But since I'm trying to cut down on the carbs, trying to shred my belly, I'm gonna try these out. We're having buttermilk pancakes, some turkey bacon, and a cup of fruit. Wednesday, July 26th, 2023. It's about 6:45 in the morning. I am about to get ready to go to the gym, and this is how we're looking this morning. Off the wake up. No sucking in. I really I've never had this before. I'm not gonna get discouraged. I'm gonna just take everything one day at a time. Okay, so we have our banana for our first meal of the day, just a pre-workout meal before we hit the gym. Let's go. I have never had this before. What I've been loving about this so far is the different dishes that I've been creating. Trying new food, expanding my palate. Like, who's had capers before? I don't think I've ever had capers. They're pickled flower buds. And they're so good. Anything pickled, I like pickled veggies, so. Beets, pickled cabbage, pickled beets, pickles, butter pickles, anything pickled is good. Okay. So, I feel like this is gonna be so messy, but maybe not, because when I put the cheese, I forgot to get a tomato, but once I put the cheese and the turkey meat on here, it's gonna absorb everything and it'll make the sandwich stick together. Cheese is next. The recipe called for 2 pieces, y'all. Next is turkey meat. Oops, I might have put too much chili. See, here we go. I think I put too much on here, y'all. I want to look at the measurements after the fact. Let's see. This way. 4. Let's do some red onions. This might not look like nothing, but I'm sure it's gonna taste good. You know what I found out about myself? Whenever I make something for the first time, I don't know. I just don't be knowing how to put it together. Like, look at this. Listen. I don't know how to quite, depending on what it is. And then too, I don't be that confident making something new, so things get a little weird, but I really feel like this is gonna be good. Like, okay, I need to learn how to chop avocado. What? Or should I roll it this way? I think I should roll it this way. Okay, I can already see I used too much chili oil. This was a fucking fail. Ask me if I'm gonna do this ever again. Okay, it's in a roll. It's rolled up. It's messy though. I used too much oil because I didn't look at the measurements. Oh my God. And then cut it in half. All right now, that looks better. This doesn't look bad. This ain't bad. It's sloppy. That's my fault, but this is good. This is good. Lettuce turkey wraps. 10 out of 10. It is like 6:40 in the morning. I got a little bit of a late start. I'm so tired today. I don't know why. But I'm up. I told y'all about my hair situation earlier in this week. My blow dryer is coming in the mail today. My hair appointment is Tuesday. I might just go ahead and wash my hair today. I don't think I can wait until Monday to do my hair because my head itches so bad and I'm just ready to take this shit out of my head. I'll show y'all what I'm eating for breakfast and when I head out the door soon. Just a piece of whole grain wheat bread with a little peanut butter on top. This will power us through our workout today.
Phone book update failed.
So, y'all don't understand how much I do not want to be here today. I just want to lay in the bed, watch Stranger Things, and just do nothing. But that's not happening today. I'm going to push through this workout, and then I have a wig that I got to complete and ship off. And, yeah. Also, yo, girl, my gym attire, my fitness apparel is bottom tier. I realized that I really need to get some more workout clothes, some cute workout clothes. So for all you gym apparel companies, what's up? What's up on the sponsorship? Today's workout was trash. I cut it short. I didn't plan my workouts in advance, so I was kind of all over the place. Without having a plan, I tend to procrastinate, and that showed today. I barely got out of bed as it is, so I'm just glad I made it to the gym, period. This is why you have to have more discipline than motivation. With the first week of workouts done, I realized that I don't give as much effort and I ultimately end up doing very little or nothing at all. I also realized this. Using gym equipment when you aren't sure how to operate it can be very intimidating, mainly because there are dozens of people watching you. We tend to gravitate towards machines that we're comfortable and familiar with, but this obviously hinders your growth. We fear we're gonna look silly trying a new machine, but that's nothing a quick YouTube search can't fix. Now, going back to people watching you at the gym, actually, no one is really doing that. Most people are in their own worlds, not thinking twice about you because they're probably zoned out into their music or podcasts or whatever people are listening to these days, only thinking about themselves. I know I am. And what's funny is we all probably have the same thoughts as one another. This is more of the reason why we shouldn't worry about feeling exposed or embarrassed, because nobody cares like you think they do. I got home, made my breakfast, and tried my best not to get too wrapped up into Stranger Things because I had work to do. This week was cool, but next week I plan to outline exactly what workouts I'm gonna do each day we're at the gym.